brought, we are saying it is accessible through an all-weather road, which we have done, proper marabbing, proper drainage, good compaction. This place is a place you can't miss. Wow, wow, this is it. See the road, see the road, see the road, all the way. Tens of kilometers. Good marabbed road, tens of kilometers. Who can't access his own plot along such a road? And they are all crisscrossing across this one. I appreciate the skill of the late Honorable John Bishuki when he came inspecting roads as the Minister for Roads, and he would put his shoe and aiweka tu anasikia the road is properly done. I tell you, this one, we have qualified engineers who are doing this one. It won't disappoint anybody. Not 2 years, not 3 years, for as long as you shall be here, plus your generation. Now let me take you to our fencing place and see the kind of fencing we are doing. First of all, I shall show you that all the chain links are here at site to do what? Make sure you are in a gated community. A gated community. Ukiingia hapa hata kuku ya wenyewe won't come around. Let me show you. Let's go. So here we are. Dear friends, we are saying we are doing a chain link fence. And I'm sure when we talk of chain link, we have brought them to site. It's ongoing. This is work ongoing. You can see for yourself, the chain links are already at site. A lot of people are on ground, ready to do what? Ensure that fencing happens. Fencing happens. And this shall happen along the entire 42-acre piece. And so therefore, once you are here, you are in a secure place. Watu wanasema sijui kuku ukifanya ukishuga, the eagles shall come, the other predators will come. We are here, we have secured you, including that which you shall be doing in this piece of land. Now, imagine this one, and it is not done on a wooden post. We are doing it on concrete posts. Here you are. I'm unable to lift one of them. But all these are concrete posts, making sure that this place means permanence. There is permanence in what we are doing here. There is value in what we are doing here. So when we are telling you, you are settling in a ready to settle value-added piece of land, this is what we actually mean. You will not come from Buruburu, you will not come from Eastlands, where you used to be in a community that is well secured, into an open, insecure place. Here you are, we are doing this concrete post and a chain link all out. And not only that, we have a security watchtower. You don't know that. We have a security watchtower. Somebody is up there making sure that all is well within Adah Gardens. So you are not in an insecure place. And I want to tell you, work is ongoing. People are already putting the chain link, and I'll be taking you there to see what is happening. Let's be on the move. Every piece of land here, it is beaconed. We have beacons across the 42-acre piece of land. And let me show you beacons that are permanent. So once you come over here to take your piece, hautaambiwa tutaweka beacon, you'll be taken to your plot number, whatever number it is, and they are properly inscribed within the beacon. And these are the beacons. These are beacons. These are beacon. It is showing plot number C17. Plot number C17. It is also showing plot number 4 and number 5. So we have the beacons across. So these are all over in this entire piece of land. And let me tell you, the place have access to power. There is power. I don't know whether you can see the power line is just within the premise. We have given the way reef. We have given the way reef so that even the neighborhood is powered. And so therefore, we are not telling you that you shall be in darkness. Not at all. You will be in a well-lit place where access to power is available. Let's go. Don't worry, this is the noise for the tractors doing your roads. This is what you shall find happening on the ground. We shall have started putting the chain link now across the entire 42-acre piece on concrete posts. So your security is guaranteed. Your comfort is guaranteed. And so please, with Almond, there is perfect property solutions. We are meeting the needs of Kenyans. We are meeting the needs of the people who are at the bottom of the pyramid. Therefore, when we talk of selling land and plots to you, we ensure that it is pocket-friendly, and we ensure that you have no problem of financing. Why? Because we know a majority of Kenyans have the challenge in settling their families. Many are the people who are at the bottom of the pyramid. They are poorly described or wrongly described as low-class people. There is nobody who is a low-class person. And for Almond, ours is to ensure that you are a person of integrity, a person who counts, and a person who delivers the will and the purpose of God. And therefore, come here where you are valued. At Almond, everybody is valued. And therefore, when we are putting such a fence, ni kusema anybody purchasing a plot in Adah Gardens and anywhere else where Almond has a property, tunasema you are of value. That is why we put such a fence, because valuable people are inside here. Thank you very much.